Bror Fredrik coming at you with another video. I'm leaving Rumba at the Mirage right now, and I gotta walk over to where did I park? Over at the Wynn core. So I figured I'd pop on the camera. I got the pole with me. We'll get some altitude. We'll look around. We're gonna stay on this side of the strip, on the west side. We'll pass the Mirage. We'll pass the TI. We'll cross some bridges. We'll do all sorts of fun stuff. So I hope you enjoy this little walk. I don't think I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna be using the pole. That way you get the bird's eye view of what's going on. It is about 11 o'clock on a Friday night, 101 degrees, and it is humid. And that's something you don't hear about Vegas a lot. It's humid. It rained for like 5 minutes yesterday. A big monsoon, 5 minutes worth of rain passed by, and that just created some humidity. So you can see me, I'm schwitzing. So I hope you enjoy this walk. I'll catch up with you on the other end of it. But in the meantime, I'm going to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and especially, you know, bonk, hit that bell button to get notified when I do this again, which is 2 to 4 times a week. So enjoy the views, and we'll be right back. Alright, I got the pole activities activated. So let's cross the street and we'll go for some height. Hope we don't get run it over. I was just discussing on a live stream that Hard Rock International said that they probably, most likely, won't be doing any construction over here till the year 2025. So that gives you 2 years at least to come check out one of my favorite places in town, the Mirage, and of course the volcano. They didn't say anything about the volcano, but I'm sure it's gonna like not jive with their vibe. And they are building the giant guitar. Let's get some selfie activities. All right, people, you ready? Going for height. Looks like they shut down somebody's little water gig there. Not water or beer. If it was beer, they could get arrested for that. I mean, they can get arrested for water too, but the beer definitely. Guy getting his jog on. Hope the camera actually holds up during the live stream. The phone I use for live streaming overheated. It almost fry an egg on the thing. I'm doing this in 4K 60. So we'll see how we do. wonder if they're gonna keep that, the Hard Rock. Oh, we're being serenaded. I might have to bleep this out. Adjust this camera a little bit. Hold on. Should we go on the inside or outside? Let's go on the inside. Alright. I think that'll do this justice. Oh yeah, much better. V and the P looking nice. You guys know that's fake, right? That was supposed to be a bunch of condominiums. St. Croix or the St. Regis, I forgot. Some saint. Never completed it, so they put a tarp over it. That's actually a tarp. Want to look again? There you go. Those cranes have been there for years and years and years. That there, all fake. That's a tarp. Gillies. Actually has people in there tonight. Amazing. Making good time. Heading over to the Wynn core. Got some ladies in front of us. What do we got down here? More of Las Vegas's finest. AC coming out of that felt good. Alright, we're gonna cross this bridge, come down by Neiman Marcus. If they demolished the TI, would any of you guys miss it? If they demolished the TI, I always tell you why Metro rolls in four-wheel drives, right? It's because of the speed bumps in town. What? Who's she yelling at? Ain't yelling at me. Just tell me in the comments, would you actually be sad if they squash the TI? Oh. Figures. It just figures. Alright, let's go up here. Let's make our way. Hi.
Hi.
Good. Ladies. Stairs. Alright, got my cardio done and my hot yoga. That was some hot yogas right there. What is this? Get out of the way, jackasses.
Maybe they could be like joking.
Let's see where they're heading. Heading down to the convention center. That's a nice view. Let me get this glass out the way. Ain't that a view right there? I love the Wynn car. There go the towers. Look, matching pink. Everyone's in pink. I dig it. Look at this. Oh, let's see what's in there. Anything good? Is any black chips in there? No. Alright, let's go. Oh, heading down the stairs. Oh, that escalator's working on the other side. It's a freaking miracle. Alright, let's see what's in here. Kind of dig that outfit. Kind of like Austin Powersy. Vegas, baby. Alright, let me give this some height again. I said I wasn't gonna talk, but you know that's like nearly impossible for me, right? She had some gains. Alright, which way should we go? Let's go this way. Which escalator's actually working? That one is not. Figures. Let's see if this one's working. What is this? Oh, it's Fabulous Freddy's. Oh, I'm gonna get hit with the spankies. Is this one actually working? Did we get lucky? They took all the keys and oh, nice, it's working. All the keys and locks off that thing. That used to be where people would like toss padlocks and put their name and all that, yada, yada, yada. Fashion Show Mall. It's been a while since I did a walkthrough of the Fashion Show Mall. If you want to see me do one of those, I'll do it. I gotta come here. Let me know in the comments. I have to come here probably the same day you're gonna see this video. So let me know if you want to see one. I'll bust one out. That place is constantly changing. Alright, let's head across. Alright, you see off in the distance there, they got all the lights going on the sphere. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll pop a picture right now. I took one a couple days ago. What is that? This is my thin pole. The thicker one's a little more stable. I gotta get used to the thin pole. Hope you're not getting seasick. That thing's pretty badass. I saw a meme today that said, if you work on yourself like construction crews work on the strip, you'll be a better person. The yellow cone is like our state flower. It's crazy. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to sign off right here, but don't go anywhere. I'm gonna turn the camera around as soon as I get out of this music. Be right back. Told you I'd be back. So I'm at the beautiful Wynn right now. I gotta walk through, head out to the parking garage. I hope you enjoyed that little walking tour. Where'd we go? From the Mirage to the Wynn core. Love this place. I bet you do too. So once again, I'm gonna invite you to like, share, subscribe, and especially hit that bell button like this. Bonk. To get notified when I go live again. Like support channel, you can do that with Patreon, get a channel membership, or click on any links in the description below, especially my channel partner Olife for the best dang flashlights and EDC tactical gear known to man. 10% off, use my coupon code in my link. And get some good views. They're all good views here. We're at the Wynn core. And on that note, Bror Fredrik out.
Make sure it sound right, boys.